A lot of people get all nervous. They worry about lead paint. They worry about different things. So the plaster is coming down from the ceiling. And I think in this situation, it's the easiest thing to do. It looks like there was a potential fire here. Go through, scrape all the plaster down, start over, either replaster or either sheetrock right over this ceiling here. And now you've got yourself a brand new plastered ceiling. End of the day, start fresh, get a new ceiling, have a property ready to go, and you'll be in much better condition.